In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add status property in Notion. The status property is a built-in way to track the stage of any item in your workspace, like whether a task is to do, in progress, or complete. It's perfect for simple workflows and makes your database more visual and organized. First, open your Notion database. This can be a table, board, list, or any database view. If you're looking at a specific view, remember that all properties belong to the database itself, so anything you add here will be available across other views as well. Make sure you have permission to edit the database before continuing. Now, add a new column and select the status property. You can do this by clicking the plus sign to the right of your existing columns, choosing property type, and selecting status from the list. Notion will create a new column with status as its type. This immediately gives you a set of status options you can use for each row or card. You can change its name and its options if you want. Click the column title to rename it to something meaningful, like Task Status or Project Stage. Open the property settings to edit the options. Add new statuses, rename existing ones, or delete ones you don't need. You can also adjust colors to make stages easy to recognize at a glance. Keep your list focused and clear. Too many statuses can slow you down, while a simple set like To Do, In Progress, and Done covers most use cases. If helpful, reorder the options to match the typical flow of your work. Another method is selecting an existing page within the database and adding the property there. Open any page in the database, then select Add Property and choose Status. Notion will automatically add a status property column to the entire database as well, so you'll see it in every view. From that page, you can also set a default status for that item and adjust the options just like before. As you start using it, remember that any changes you make to the status property, like editing names or colors, apply across the database. You can drag the column to reposition it for better visibility and resize it so your status labels fit nicely. Keep your statuses consistent across projects so everyone understands what each stage means. And there you go. That's all you need to add and customize a status property in Notion. Try it on one database first, then roll it out to others once you're comfortable. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.